Hi and welcome. So today I just purchased a new helmet. It arrived today, which is an Arai helmet, as you can see here. So I'm just going to do a bit of an unbox and take you around and have a good look at this helmet. It's an Arai Chaser X and it's a Maverick Vinhales replica. So yeah, pretty excited about it. So here we go. Let's open the box. So I did order this with the black visor as well. So we've got spare visor, just a clear visor here. Let's say Chaser X. It does come with the pin lock system. I'll open up here. So you get the pin lock where you can put a pin lock insert in the inside of the visor. Now these do come free of charge with the pin lock visor, so I've asked them to put the pin lock on the dart visor, which hopefully should be on the helmet when we open up the bag. So yeah, free clear visor. So here we go, inside the box. Obviously it comes with an Arai bag as well. So we'll just pull him out. And we've also got some free stickers and a little Arai manual. So I'm sure I can find somewhere for them to go on. Here we are, so let's have a look what we got in here. Wow, here she is, the Maverick Vinhales rep. So it's finished off in the matte black. Obviously you got the Maverick logo on there. It's in a matte finish, matte black and matte. It's like a reddy orange, really striking. Nice grey H at the front. So you got some air vents on the top there. And I've always loved Arai helmets. I love the shape of the helmet that Arai produce. Really nice design. I always love the side little Arai stickers. Little aerofoil at the back, which you'll see an air vent. Release out the hot gases. And then we got the little sort of warthog with a gun and a helmet. This is a size medium. I'm in a medium size head. Yeah, nice looking lid. Always prefer the double D ring as well that Arai always seem to do. Nice and easy to use and lovely lining. They've always produced a lovely lining in there. This has got the pin lock, so they've put that on there inside so it stops the misting up. Black visor, looks pretty mean. And we'll have a look around. As you can see, it's like a reddy orangey colour. Really nice. I'm well chuffed. As I say, I love Arai helmets. Can't wait to don it, get out on the bike. Well chuffed. It's only a quick video. Thanks for watching. Maverick Vinhales, Arai rep.